How to get unbanned from Doordash. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you get banned from Doordash, you're going to receive an email regarding your ban. In the email itself, you're going to receive the reason why you got banned and also how you can unban your account. In case you have not received that email and you have been banned from Doordash, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned. First, you want to open up any web browser you want. Then on the search box, search for Doordash support. Then you want to tap on this website, help.doordash.com. From here, tap on customer support. Now here are three things you can do. You can directly visit the help center to get your account unbanned, or you can call the customer support in the number given over here, or you can also chat with the Doordash support team. Then it's going to open up in your app. Now from these options, you can basically choose any topic, and after that you're going to be connected with a human agent. Then you can simply explain that you have been banned from the Doordash account and that you want to get unbanned, and they're going to help you get your account unbanned. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.